In this video, I'm going to explain you how I did my web technology lab exercise number 9 working with Ajax. Where Ajax is asynchronous JavaScript and XML. In this exercise, I need to extend my previous exercise number 8 by adding one more feature, that live username availability checking using Ajax and PHP. I need to use MySQL database to store the user details. In this, I need to add an event handler for checking the username availability using Ajax. I need to create a registration page and the check username.php where I need to get the uh, username and password, and I need to store in the database. I need to show the it should not, the web page should not be uploading. For this, I wrote the code here where I took the form. I created a form in which I'll have the username and password. I gave the form action as db.php, which is the other page where the server-side program is running. Method is get, and here I'm taking the username and password using the text box input text boxes, and I gave the on blur check user this dot value so that the particular value will be taken as a username. And I just give the submit button with the value register, and I created a div box where id is equal to tell, in which a script will be written. And this in db.php you can see I'm using the super global variable dollar underscore get to get the name of the user which I have taken in this index.php. In this name I need to get it, and I need to store in the variable dollar username is a variable to store the name of the user, and the dollar password to save the password of the variable in this particular variable. And if you want to encrypt the password, you can just encrypt it using SHA-1 password with the password by saving it some variable. I need to establish my connection with the MySQL. For this, I just used MySQL. I connect with the localhost root, and the company is my database name which I want to connect it. If connection is not true, it shows the error by using MySQL underscore error, and if it's true, it goes to the query where I'm inserting into the users the username and the password, giving the values username and encrypted password, and my result, and I'm storing this query in the result to checking by using MySQL underscore query with the connection establishment variable and the query variable. And if the result is not true, it shows the error what was there in the particular query by using MySQL underscore error. Otherwise, you'll get the you have registered successfully. In this, I'm using the function called checkUser with a string variable parameter. Here, XML HTTP request. XML HTTP request is used for like for sending and receiving data, and it uses the asynchronous mode. It helps in doing the asynchronous things in the web page. And in XML HTTP is a object which I have created for the XML HTTP request. And this is how I need to create XML HTTP is equals to new XML HTTP request. XML HTTP is equals to open, which I'm getting open, which I'm opening the link for the web page by using the get method. Check username PHP with the name as the string which I have given the name, and XML HTTP.send is like I'm sending a request, and here XML already state function is the here I give the function, or I mean going to the over here like recursion in already state change is used to be function to be triggered when the function is got ready. So that when the function is got ready, this will be triggered to this particular function. And in this I'm using the condition if this dot ready state is equal to 4, where the ready state will have 4 conditions at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, where you have different types, whether the connection is established or whether you got the output or it's running or what. And fourth stage you'll get the output is finished, and thus this dot status is equal to 200, where you have the perfect output. And when you got this, you just get the document dot get elements by id with the div id as tell dot inner text and this dot response text, and you complete your script. When I run the file, you can see the registration page, username and password. Jessica. Yes, and I give the register. It got due registered successfully. This is how my whole web page looks for the 9th exercise. This is my whole code. used for ninth exercise.